Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Car Match Master application. So this is basically an online game that is available on both Google Play Store and App Store, and where you can earn money and different digital currency by doing different kind of playing games and doing different kind of milestones. Now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, this is also available on an app store, and it has a worst possible rating of 1.5 out of 5 stars, and it is based on 203 reviews. So this is a major red flag, and people are actually saying this is no less than scam. The car match master can never collect, so the people are actually very much dissatisfied by using this application. But it has a 500k plus downloads on the Google Play Store, which actually sounds like a green signal, but we should not fall for it and find out and research further. As you can see, I've tried to search for it on the Google Play Store, and the App Store are actually saying that they are almost certainly scams. If an app has a crash out threshold, you will likely never see that money. So this is the review of actual official Apple Play Store. And once I tried for the review of different other platforms, as you can see, the same rating of App Store is available here. And on the Sonic platform, it has a worst possible 2 out of 10 rating. So in conclusion, I would say this application is completely a scam. You should avoid investing your money and your time on this application. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.